Good day guys and welcome. In this video we're talking about how to connect MT5 to Tradingview. So firstly, the question stands whether it's even possible, and as of now the answer is no. In order to discuss this a little bit more in detail, so why? Well, MetaTrader 5 is a trading platform provided by brokers, and Tradingview is primarily a charting and analysis platform that also allows trading, but only through brokers that Tradingview has partnered with. So right now, Tradingview does not support direct native integration. So if we go, for example, into products and supercharts, we go to the trading panel in here and we search for MT5. As you can see, there's nothing. If I type in Meta in here, clear that, Meta, as you can see, there's also nothing. So right now, it doesn't support this platform. That means you can't just log into your MT5 account from Tradingview and place trades. So pretty much you will just have to wait, guys, until they actually enable this integration. Just like these services that we have here, right? Yeah, Interactive Brokers, TradeStation, TradeAway, etc. After they implement it, you'll be able to find this in the all brokers list and connect it. But for now, well, we can't. So hopefully this cleared things up. If this helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.